Alright, y'all, we're back to Kennedy Doing Things, and today we're going to open some more Pokemon cards. But I have something a little bit special today. So, in the mail, we got one of the Alakazam V Boxes. And not only did we get one, but we got two. And actually, we got three, if you see the one up there. So, we are going to be opening this up today. As I've said on the channel before, Alakazam is one of my favorite cards, favorite Pokemon. I'm glad he's finally getting a special edition box, and I could not be happier than to have three of these to open up on the channel. For right now, I am going to keep just one of them as a display piece. You know, later down the road, I'll probably end up opening it, but for now, it's just going to stay as a display piece. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know the drill. I love doing this. We got to keep the channel growing. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to afford this. All right, let's get into it. As you can see, GameStop was not concerned about the condition of the box, but everything in the box is still the same. So we're going to go ahead and rip this open. It's going in the recycling anyway, so it doesn't matter now. But, I mean, come on. Maybe in the future, don't destroy the box. So to start off, we have another Mega Pokemon card. Still don't know the use of these. I'm pretty sure they're just for display. I will definitely be keeping one of these to have on display. Within the box, there's Vivid Voltage, another Vivid Voltage, Rebel Clash, and a Sun and Moon base set. Code card for y'all. Alright, so this is the promo card that comes with it. Very cool card, and now I have three of them. Sleeve that up. And we will give that a little special spot. Get rid of the code card. So, for some extra added luck, I decided that I should get out some of the other Alakazam cards that I have. And zoom out just a little bit and hope that they also provide some good luck. Alright, so what order should we do this in? Let's start with Vivid Voltage. We'll just open them in the order that I pulled them out of the pack. Alright, so obviously with Vivid Voltage, the card that you want, the card everyone wants, is the Rainbow Rare Charizard or Pikachu. So, alright, let's not mess this up. Code card. Enjoy that. 2, 3, 4. And let's hope for some good luck. So we have, zoom in just a little bit. Energy, Wash Energy, Charmeleon, Pincurchin, Talo, Charmander, Wooper, Galarian Meowth, Cottony, Nessa, and a Dreadnought for the rare. So, not a great first pack, but we'll do better. Alright, another Vivid Voltage. One of these days I'll open the booster box, but I have way too many boxes, packs, etc. that I need to open. Alright. Code card. Enjoy that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Rocky Helmet. Galvantula. Swellow. Yeah, let's move that slightly over. Whismur. Trubbish. Dynamo. Clobbopus. Woobat. A reverse holo Galvantula, and a Regirock holo rare. We'll go ahead and sleeve that up. Alright. So for the second one we have Rebel Clash. Hopefully this one treats us just a little bit better than those two. Alright, so code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Energy, Chuckle, Luxio, Durant, Roly-Coly, Meditite, Grubbin. It's kind of a crazy artwork. Electabuzz, also kind of crazy. Natu. For a reverse holo, we have a Morpeko, and for our rare, we have a Toxtricity. Nice. Alright. So for our Sun and Moon base set, let's hope that this one treats us better than the other three. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Energy Retrieval. Steenie. Spenda. Caterpie. Paris. Yungoos. Shelder. Zubat. For our reverse holo, we have a Bulgor, and for our rare, we have a Decidueye. And Fairy Energy, because I did the card trick wrong. So overall, that box was a little bit of a stinker. We do have a second one, so let's hope the second one goes a lot better. We have our second Alakazam V Box. Let's hope that this one a little bit nicer to us. Might have to bust open the third one. I have faith. Alakazam is going to treat us right. We're going to have an amazing pull in this one. So I'll go ahead and pull out the Alakazam card. Very happy to have this in my collection. Set it on top of the other one. Another Mega Alakazam V card. Alright, so in this box, code card, we have Vivid Voltage, Rebel Clash, and Sun and Moon base. So, same packs, I kind of figured, but I don't think in the past I have purchased two and then opened two of the exact same boxes, so I wasn't 100% sure that they always had the same packs, but these do. So let's see how we do in the second one. Now, code card. I know PokeRand has opened his. I watched his video. He had very, very good luck on his first box. And I think the second box was a little bit of a stinker, so hoping that we have some good luck with this one. I also saw that Real Breaking Nate has opened his. I have not watched his video yet. I hope that he had some awesome pulls, and let's see what we got. So Energy, Krokorok, Aromatic Energy, Galvantula, Pick-a-Peck, Poochyena, Rockruff, Blitzel, Skidoo, Milcery, reverse holo, and a Colossal V rare. Very, 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 very cool. I am very happy getting the Colossal V card. Alright, let's get into the next one. So yeah, let me know in the comments, did you guys buy this box? How were your pulls? Let me know. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Psychic Energy. Stunfisk. Sableye. Clamorant. Clefairy. Phanpy. Yanma. Galarian Meowth. Duskull. Moo Moo Cheese. Reverse holo. And a Manectric. Alright. Lost track of my packs. Alright, so let's see how Rebel Clash treats us. So far, pulls would have been a little bit better. I'm happy with the Colossal V. But let's see what we got in this one. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's right. Energy, Capture Energy, Charjabug, Shuckle, Voltorb, Growlithe, Dreepy, Snover, Binnacle, Reverse Hollow Nugget, and a Snorlax. Non-hollow. Cool card. My man's always eating. Maybe should chillax with just a little bit. Alright. Last pack. Sun and Moon base set. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Alright. This is the energy. I did right. Energy. Passimian. Pokemon Catcher. Golbat. Fearow. Grubbin. Weird ass Eevee. Psyduck. Spearow. Reverse Hollow Incineroar. And a Crabominable. So, overall, the Alakazam box could have treated us a lot better. We only got one holo card and we got one V card. Definitely could have been a little bit better, but I'll take it. Because I think we need something a little bit more exciting, I'm going to grab some dollar packs and let's open those and see if we can get something cool. Alright. So I picked these up the other day. They are from the Dollar General. So I actually went to, I think, about 8 Dollar Generals. I heard they had some really cool packs, and almost every one of them did not have a single pack. Finally, after I think 6 or 7, I found one that had these dollar packs, Sword and Shield base set, and they were actually hanging up. I think this is the first time I've seen a dollar pack that hangs. So we're going to go ahead and open these up and see if we can pull something a little bit better than the Alakazam box. So if you're new to the channel, I've opened up a couple of these dollar packs before. Oh, never mind. So typically the middle card is the rare. So let's see what we got. So we have a Mawile, a Haunter, and a Durant. It is considered a rare, so we'll take it. Well, I guess I can just rip these. So in our second one, do the card trick on this one. We have a Pikachu, a Sharp, and a Thievul for our rare. I think the nice thing about these dollar packs is they actually have the cuts on the top, so it's very easy to open them. So we have a Scorbunny, a Lanoon, and a reverse hollow Hoot Hoot. I haven't been sleeving up any of those. Don't worry, I will sleeve them up later. I think just for video's sake, I don't feel the need to do them during the video. All right. We have Zigzagoon, a Raichu for a rare, and an Energy Retrieval. Alright. We have Glossifleur, a Sudowoodo, Reverse Hollow, and a Ferrothorn. Alright. We're going to pull something good, I believe. Right now, though, hasn't been great. So we have a Silicobra, a Yamper, and a Energy. These dollar general packs better not let me down. We're gonna do a card trick on this one. Ferroseed, Energy, and a Krabby. Let's see. 6 more packs. All right. We're gonna pull something fire. Diglett, Skorupi, and a Thwackey. All right. So I think another thing I want you all to sound off on in the comments is when I'm opening the packs, do you want me to cut out the actual opening of the pack and just get to where I actually have the cards? Or do you want to actually, you know, hear me rip it, see me pull the cards out? Like, I can do that. I just think it makes the videos just a little bit longer, and I don't want to waste your time all day. So we all have things we gotta do. So Croagunk, Quillfish, and we actually finally got a rare hollow Galarian Berserker. Let's leave that up. Alright. So yeah, let me know in the comments, do you want me to cut that stuff out when I'm editing, or do you want me to leave it in? Do you think that adds some authenticity, or is it just wasted time? Snom, Vitality Band, and a Galarian Stunfisk Reverse Hollow. So we have a Sobble. If you watched my second video, I was right, it is a Sobble, but I won't forget that in the future. Dugtrio, and a Reverse Hollow Lantern. So overall, we've done really well with our reverse hollows. It's 5 reverse hollows. That's pretty good. Alright, let's see what we got in the last pack. Will we get some of that last pack magic? Alright. We have Silly Cobra, Energy Switch, and a Maractus reverse hollow. So we did not. I do think that we pulled some great cards out of these sets. At least the dollar packs, the Alakazam box could have been a little bit nicer to us. Alright, y'all, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you do hit the like button, the subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you know each and every single time that I post. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all so much for watching the video, and I will see you in another one. Thanks. Bye.